Guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be organizing my fidget. So let's get started. Just quickly, I already organized some quick. Okay, so first, it's this in this bin. This white bin. Okay, so first, I put these stress balls. Not slime anymore, but used to be a slime package. So put that in there, just like that. Actually, I'll just take the bin out. Oops. Okay, I'm back. Okay, then I put this case. If you didn't watch the other video, you'll see what's inside this. Okay. Then oh, there. Here is kinetic sand. Oops. There. Okay, well, I forgot to show my two other fidgets. These soy sauce and ketchup package. Okay, so let's get back. So I'll put that on, see on there. Put this right there. And then I'll put this cute little thing there. Cute little unicorn. There. These grapes. Okay, then I'll put this one like that, and this pineapple. Oh, you can bear. There's space for that. Oh, no. Is there any? Oh no. Okay. And I put these and then this. There